Welcome to Milkwood Manor. This is our room, room 12. Come on in. As you enter, you have the bathroom on this side. Coming into the bathroom, you have a view over the bay from this window and your sink area. There's your toilet on this side, and that takes you around to the walk-in shower area on the other side. As we exit the bathroom, we come into the main bedroom. There's really big windows and doorways that you can appreciate the view on all sides, and this is accompanied with a queen-size bed and a closet area. The closet area is spacious, which also has a safe and some racking, with your hanging area on this side. We then move on to a makeup station and a fridge, as well as an AC unit which is on the wall in this room. As we head out onto our balcony, this room has a spacious balcony that wraps around since it is a corner unit. We have our outside eating area, as well as tanning areas with one bed on this side and the second bed over here. So given the corner unit, this is a very spacious balcony, and you can see the view out with the lagoon on this side that you're looking at, and then we come around to the ocean on the other side. So this is our room at Milkwood Manor.